Yung kagandahan naman po sa forex market, it's a huge market. So, mataas yung trading volume niya. No? And because of that, pwede kang mag-buy or sell ng mga currencies anytime na gusto mo. Kunwari, gusto mo mag-trade ng USD JPY no, ng madaling araw. Walang problema. No, you can execute that trade. You can buy, you can sell anytime. You can open a trade, you can close it. That's fine. So, basta bukas yung market, makakapag-trade po kayo. At kailan ba bukas yung market? No, the market is open 24 hours a day during weekdays. No? Now, that is divided into a couple of sessions. Meron kang Asian session, European session, at saka US session sa gabi. Now, to be honest, ang pinakamagalaw na session dyan would be the European session. No? London session po yan. So you would actually expect a lot of movement during that time. And that would be around 3 o'clock in the afternoon, no? Here in the Philippines. Convert nyo na lang. Or around 3 to 4 p.m. Depende sa daylight saving time nila. So doon medyo magalaw yung market. And that extends all the way up until 11 p.m. ng gabi. Sa mga ganun po yan. Okay. So, yung New York session, it also opens around 8 or 9 p.m. Magalaw din po yan, but to be honest, majority of the movement is at your London session. Kaya sa PAFTI, kung mapapansin nyo, 2 beses po tayo nagla-live sa isang araw. No? Mostly si Coach Alex M. yung sa London Open, tapos si Coach Alex S. naman sa sa New York Open. No? So we try to capture both markets. Asian session, madalas patay yung market kapag ganyan. So wala masyadong galaw yan. No? Don't expect a lot of movement there. Alright. So moving forward, no? Now, we've kind of understood forex trading already, kung ano yung concept niya. Now let's try to go a little deeper into the forex market. We know that it's a very liquid market. Alam na natin yung trading sessions. And ano ba talaga yung market na yan? No? Well, the market is where currencies are being exchanged, and it's an OTC market, no, over the counter market siya. Ang ibig sabihin nun, you can trade with multiple entities, no. Walang central entity na nagbabantay ng lahat ng trades na nagaganap. So for example, you go to a bank or money changer, you can exchange money there. Walang nagbabantay, no. Unlike the stock market, no, if you're trading with PSE, meron kang, Philippine Stock Exchange. Sila yung nagbabantay ng lahat ng trades na nangyari. But for the forex market, it doesn't work like that. Okay? It's over the counter, no? At dahil doon, decentralized po yung market. So, take note that they are always traded in pairs. Okay? Kapag nagtitrade po kayo ng forex, you are buying and selling at the same time. That's why you have two currencies involved. Kaya dun sa example natin kanina, nung nag-trade tayo ng peso to dollar, no, or dollar to peso, nung niliquidate na natin yung position, we were actually buying the dollar nung una and selling the peso. Kasi binili natin yung dollar, binigay natin yung peso in exchange. So whenever you trade, you are actually buying and selling at the same time. So tandaan nyo you're buying and selling at the same time, and that's why two currencies are involved. They come in pairs.